I'm Lorna Lewis. I'm one of the business specialists for Save the High Street, and we are here tonight in the Flint Mountain Hotel for our awards and end of year conference to celebrate the 45 businesses who have finished the business support programme. Save the High Street is an 8-year-old business, and what we do is help and support independent businesses. We work with all sorts of traders, from butchers to cafes to gyms, pubs, you name it, everything in between. That's what we do. And what we really do is help them to grow in their business, identify areas that are going really, really well, and also help and support them in areas that aren't going well, and how we can help them move forward. We also work with a lot of traders to collaborate, putting together traders group and really getting communities working together to help the high street thrive. We also help with vacant units, again getting businesses in there, getting the opportunity to try something different. So it's about really reviving the whole of the high street, creating a collaborative atmosphere and really igniting the passion again. So with this particular project, what we've done is we've helped 45 businesses on a business support programme. What we did with those was we did a health check at the very beginning for every single business. And with the health check, what that did was it enabled us to identify gaps in a person's business. Now that could have been things from marketing, it could have been things like website, even looking at general footfall within the business. Now every single business is completely different, so that we take the approach of what is right for the business and how to make them thrive, how to make them grow, and really just relight that fire again in their belly.
Hi, my name's Martin Evans and I'm from Nexus Creative Spaces. We're a new pop-up shop initiative in Holywell. As a pop-up shop space, we offer space to small businesses who wish to showcase their products to the local community in Holywell. So we've signed up with SaveTheHighStreet.org in conjunction with Flintshire County Council, and they've helped support us with our initiative with regards to marketing, email marketing and various other things. So we've had some great support from Joanne Arthur at SaveTheHighStreet.org, and we're looking forward to what we can do from the experience we've had with Save the High Street. So we don't just offer pop-up shops, we offer workshops for the local community. We're getting feedback from the local community, asking them what they want, what they'd like to see here. And if we can bring those things, then people will come. So it's a little bit of a community hub. So we offer workshops by the small businesses who come here for the community. So the support we've had from Save the High Street is we have a Zoom meeting every Monday morning for 8 weeks, and we would discuss in then what sort of plan of action we can introduce to raise awareness of what we're doing and through our marketing efforts as well.
My name is Kev. I'm part of K&G Chocolates and Mould, a small little chocolate shop in the Ambrose Lloyd Centre. I make chocolate predominantly here, from chocolate bars, truffles, children's chocolates, novelty chocolates, anything that's to do with chocolate really. We joined the Save the High Street, and our liaison officer was Lorna Lewis, who we found a great help to the business. How far we wanted to take it forward and the aesthetics of the shop and all that. So we started, on their advice, doing chocolate workshops, which proved very successful. So we're starting to do more again this year. And it's simple things like that that Lorna put to us and her team to make us move forward. Together we rebranded. We've come a long way from the branding we had to the branding we have now. That was a big help. We learned about computers and all that, and how to make logos and what's going to be what we want. When we went to the closing event, we were presented with Business Development Award, which to Jill and I was a big shock, but very well received, so we thank you for that, because we wouldn't have been able to do it on our own. We weren't business savvy enough to do things like this. So you do sometimes need a team behind you that have got the ideas, and it was very valid, and we're pleased we were involved.
Well, yeah, without the funding, this wouldn't have even happened. So, you know, it has been a fantastic opportunity for businesses, you know, and it's great for Flintshire Council to be able to actually put the support there for local businesses. With independent businesses as well, they can often feel lost and they just don't know the next step. So the funding has been absolutely vital in really helping these businesses to grow. And again, you know, getting that passion back for the business as well, and just creating the high street, you know, that vibrant atmosphere that it once was.